feel like this though. A lot of people hating, they can't climb out the room and shit, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be on the move, the windows down, you know what I'm saying? It's live. So we going country cruising. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own. Yeah, we going country cruising. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own. Now let me start this shit in attack mode. Then evolve this mix in a Mac mode. Cause I ran across this fine little thing that had them curves like an Indiana back row. And she ride that shit like a horseback. Leave the other girls asking where the course at. But of course that's just too country for all of y'all haters. Y'all know where my porch at. When we drink it up and we smoke it up, it's like a street light every night posted up. Ain't no changing a thing when they get it, the win it, they flip in a minute. The same motherfuckers you supposed to trust. Fill the bowl and in the cup when you're rolling with us. You leave the phone cause it told me up. I need to smoke in the drink cause it told me up. And we be rolling in the cut that be older than dust. As you can see we just creep on slowly. I've been here for too long. Ain't nobody around here been holding, and that got a feeling too strong. Starting fights with a good guy, yes, I've been tired of living that good life. Got my big boy money, now these kids can have them a good night. And I'ma get your body wet like Buster and Janet. Let you feel that better mind state of walking the yellow planet. Catching stories from the elders that it took it for granted. They say it's all working out, even if it's not how they playing, it's alright. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own. Yeah, we going country cruising. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own. Now let me flip this shit like a 6-4, going through bricks like a Circleville strip go. Deliver more hits than a hypno, got the tops popping off and no Mentos, like a skateboard with them tricks though. And I make more grip than a print code, stay more lit than the endo, with all green on me like a camp throw. But I'm still that truth like Paul, baby. Half twisted but I'm all blazy, won't catch me miss when I ball, baby. Like Stacks, Bigsy, we all crazy. Project Eddie Grimm, we all Swayze. You ready for the flight at your call, baby? I hope you ready for the snow that's on my falls, baby. Purple Santa Claus, baby. Working out a night with no weight room, so we can take a break with like a cake or two. We get caught in a lot that we make the truth, with my jet out money like a mace do. Fly high, sky high, scraping through. Keep it lit up like Vegas do. Not all turn, but we making moves through the ups and downs like an ace will do. Road says left, I'ma take a right. When they catching breaths, I'll be catching flights. Asking me to come check the mic when I feel they don't even respect the mic. Road says left, it took a right. It's like nobody in the daddy wanted to check the mic, and a few that did became the best by my side. So I guess we decide who the next to ride. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own. Yeah, we going country cruising. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own. Cruising. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own. Yeah, we going country cruising. Better get your jacket, forget your phone. Yeah, we going country cruising. Everybody get a blunt of their own.
Man, I take your words and throw them in my hearse. Well, I sit back and kill my own damn verse. Kill my own damn verse. Kill my own damn verse. Well, I sit back and kill my own damn verse. Man, I take your words and throw them in my hearse. Well, I sit